Hey there, modern minimalists. Are you tired of feeling weighed down by clutter? Stick around, because today we're diving into why minimalism is so underrated. Minimalism isn't just about having a neat and tidy space, it's a philosophy and lifestyle choice that has gained significant popularity in recent years. Our society's rampant consumerism and materialism have led to a culture of excess, where we often find ourselves drowning in possessions and distractions. Let's break down 10 practical benefits of minimalism and why our society should not overlook it. Oh, by the way, please subscribe to this channel for more minimalist content. 1. Increased focus. Imagine a workspace free from distractions, where you can finally concentrate on your projects without the chaos of clutter. 2. Reduced stress. Picture coming home to a serene and organized living space, instantly calming your mind after a hectic day. 3. Financial freedom. Think about the relief of no longer living paycheck to paycheck, thanks to mindful spending and saving. 4. Creativity liberation. Envision the fluid goddess of creativity opening when your mind is free from the weight of excess belongings. 5. Efficiency and productivity. Consider the joy of accomplishing more in less time, thanks to an organized and minimalist approach to tasks. 6. Quality relationships. Imagine deeper connections with loved ones, unburdened by the distractions of material possessions. 7. Environmental consciousness. Picture contributing to a healthier planet by consuming only what you truly need and supporting sustainable practices. If you need more content like this about minimalism, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. 8. Emotional well-being. Think about the peace of mind that comes with letting go of unnecessary things and focusing on what truly matters. 9. Physical health. Envision a healthier lifestyle with more space for movement and activities that promote well-being. And 10. Spiritual fulfillment. Consider the profound sense of fulfillment that comes from aligning your life with your values and priorities. Let me share a personal story that illustrates the power of minimalism. I used to feel constantly stressed and overwhelmed by my cluttered home. One day, I decided to declutter and simplify my space, letting go of things I no longer needed. The result was astonishing. I felt lighter, more focused, and happier. My relationships improved, my productivity soared, and I gained a newfound appreciation for the simplicity of life. In summary, minimalism isn't just about decluttering, it's about reclaiming your life from the grips of excess. It's time to embrace a minimalist mindset for a more fulfilling and intentional way of living. I'd love to hear your stories and experiences with minimalism. Share your journey in the comments below and join our community of modern minimalists. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and inspiration on intentional living. Let's embark on this minimalist journey together.